Hello everyone, so today we'll be taking tulip skirt. To get your tulip skirt, first step is to draft your basic bodice pattern. After you draft your basic bodice pattern, the next thing is to create a full front. How do you create a full front? Your CF, instead of it being on fold, allow it to be on a full paper. So you can as well add another paper to that front just to create that full front. So this is what I should normally have, right? But I'm saying add another paper there so you have a full front. So you can use paper tape to self-tape to join it together. So you can have two fronts and then use your paper tape to join it together. So this is my full front. So for you to get your tulip skirt, you must use a full front, just like for those who has long sleeve and all. You have your tulip sleeve, you have your tulip dress. So just like the design. So how do you get your tulip skirt? From the waistline to the M line. So you are connecting with the use of the cord from the waistline to the M line. So you see what I'm doing? You can see me? Yes. You roll like that, and then you do the same thing for the other part. You do the same thing for the other part. And this is it. So I have the first cut, and this is it actually. So by the time I'm done, I'm going to have two pieces. This is one and this is two. I have a piece like this. Let me make this straight by using the ruler. Okay, let me bring it down like this. I have a piece like this. I have a piece like this, and I have another one like this. So this is one and this is two. So you can see by the time you have your tulip, this is what you have. So you have one piece like this, you have the other piece like this. Mind you, the back still remains the same. So you are holding the dart at the back, the bomb effect. So your normal back is still your normal back. But the only difference is that this tulip has this shape. So another way to do your tulip, you can either take it to the M line of your skirt, or if you do not want, so because when you take it to the M line of your skirt, it exposes more of your lap. So if you do not want it to expose more of your lap, just don't take it down to the M line of the skirt. You can as well reduce it here, but it's always nicer. You can as well reduce it here, yes, but it's always nicer when it goes to the M line of the skirt. Another way you can try to get it is reduce. You can reduce your curve. So you see this curve that I have, I can come and do something like this. Can you see? You can see that. So if I do something like this, that's brought down this meeting point, this exposure, that's brought it down from up down, and that is it. So by the time I'm cutting, I have for one, I am cutting on this line for this part. That's on this. Then for two, I have this, including the waist. Yes, all the way like that. That is it for my two. So you can see I have one and two, and then I place one and two. So while sewing, I place one and two on each other. I place one and two on each other. So by the time I'm done, this is how my front looks like. So this waistline side, so if I made it straight, so let's make it look more curvy. So that's it. So this waistline side and this side is meeting this side and this side. So it's coming, this is coming on this. So you can see it, this is it and this is it. So both of them are standing on each other. and this is your front skirt. You have this as your front pattern. So you have this as your front, and then you have your normal back. Nothing changes for the back. So don't forget to add your allowance. Don't forget to add your allowance, and then join it to the back. Fix your band, and then you have your tulip. It's a really very simple and easy skirt to do. So this is it. Another suggestion, so because we like creativity, you can decide to add ruffles to it. You can decide to add cascade. That's that flairness. Yes, you can decide to add it to it. You can decide to make a tulip wrap. I think one of the former students who is now in freshers, Miss Telma, yes, she did a tulip wrap for me. So that's nice. So that's another way to achieve the tulip. So I can decide to say, okay, I don't want a straight skirt, I want a wrap skirt, I want a tulip wrap. And it can also be a pencil tulip, but just note how you're working. You need space to work when you're doing a pencil tulip. So it's advisable to use a stretchy fabric. It's always nicer when you do a stretchy fabric. Yes, and this is it. Thank you very much. Bye.